Now, what we thought is to get you used to magic prompt, we give examples, right? So now let's go through that. So we're given basic prompts, example for the most of the modules we're given for recruiting, training, feedback, policy, employee engagement, HR letters, and documents. I can create more, but we did that. So we're given 5 examples for each. Like we said, recurring hiring, you can say, provide me a sample job description for full stack, right? List top 5 interview questions, suggest onboarding activities, hiring. So we've done that for a few of the different aspects of HR. Now, what we said is first learn the basic things. So, like before, copy, paste, and try to play around with this. Then what we did is we said let's take it to the next level. So we are giving you something called advanced prompts. So what we've done is we've taken the same example, recruiting hiring, the same thing like a full stack developer job description, right? Now here to learn, we've done the things. We said, okay, what's the role? What's the instruction? What is the context? What you input? What you output? And what's the option? And then we made a magic prompt or a master prompt or a better prompt. And what we've done is we've given you about, I would say, 30 examples. So if you go back, any of them, let's say employee engagement, you got 5 examples, share fund, virtual team, bonding activity, like we took an example before, or let's say suggestion ways of gathering employees' idea and encourage innovation. Now this is a basic prompt, and you go to advanced prompt, and let's go to employee engagement, and let's scroll down to that particular thing, and we get here ways of gathering employee ideas and encourage innovations. Now again, we give you a role, instruction, a context, input, output, optional, and the master prompt. Now what this will do is this is actually an exercise now. So you learned till now it was a spectator mode for you. You was listening to it, you were not working on it. So we said, all right, just having a course without action is not going to do something. So we're giving you this thing so you can play around with 30 different prompts. If you've done all 30, you made another 30 of your own, then nobody needs to teach you anything. You could create magic prompts, master prompts, or prompts that really help you, that help your team. So now this is for anybody. Again, I say not an HR, an employee, an accountant, anybody, a student, right? If you start understanding the core framework of how to create a master prompt or a magic prompt or basic prompt engineering, this is what happens. So you're engineering a prompt in a way that it gives you a better answer. And who doesn't need a better answer? That's exactly right. When we're conversing with a friend, we need a better answer. When we're asking a teacher, we need a better answer. When we're talking to leaders, we need a better answer. The whole podcast we listen to or the videos we look at, we're looking at a better answer which can improve us or improve the processes. So I would suggest run through this. We took a lot of effort creating this 30 prompts, basic and then very detailed with the structure. So that helps you learning and gets you started on the journey. So I hope this journey is good, great, and it saves time for you, saves dollars for you, and tries to get you information which you were not able to get before. So I think with this, we start this mini course. What will happen, which I'm not sure right now, we would create a prompt library or master prompts which could be used straight away. Right, these are examples, you can use this, but we intend to keep adding to prompt library a lot of prompts which are very relevant, which our team would curate it and make it to all the examples that we run in a company. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.